My goal is to have a job here in Fairbanks, so getting to talk and learn from all the business leaders that are attending is a great opportunity.
I'm hoping to gain professional etiquette so that I can use at business dinners or in professional places in the future.
I felt like the Etiquette Seminar would be a really great chance to meet with students over at UAF and, hopefully just give some pointers and give some good feedback about interviews, resume writing, and hopefully, help them in their next step in their career.
One thing I learned at the Etiquette Seminar is how employers check your social media sites, and they might base your employment or unemployment based on what they find.
A lot about how different employees, with their work flexibility and hours, that's one thing I didn't know with certain accounting firms, is that they're very flexible in hours, and definitely reinforces my choice for the degree that I'm seeking. So.
Getting to learn what was the standard etiquette for different professions. So I'm a banker, got to learn about minors, those people that are in customer service, versus those people that may be in the back room that don't touch customers. So learning different etiquette standards was nice.
I think I really enjoyed mostly the different perspectives from the students and the professionals in the different sectors of our community that were represented.